The iPhone X, a phenomenal phone. Apple's first OLED display iPhone with Face ID and has a really great camera. But unfortunately, some users, like myself, are experiencing this dreadful shaking effect when shooting video. And I noticed on the Apple camera application, it looks extremely shaky compared when the video is finished and the phone processed the shot. But you can still see the lines that shakes the entire video, ruining every single shot. And a phone of this price, this isn't okay. And I am not making shaky rotations. I'm just recording this like you normally would using a camcorder. And if you're a user experiencing this, here's what you need to do to get this resolved. Now, after talking over the phone with Apple support, there's no way us users can get this fixed. Unfortunately, we tried factory restoring it, adjusting the camera settings, and even shaking it a little bit to see if the image stabilization motors didn't get stuck. And sadly, nothing worked. In order to get this fixed, you'll need to contact Apple and hand over your phone. And I'll highly advise you to do it now while you still have the standard factory warranty for those who don't have Apple Care. Now, the process that I went to in order to get this fixed, since I live close by to an Apple store, I backed up my phone and scheduled a Genius Bar appointment, which I'll highly advise you to schedule an appointment for this instead of doing a walk-in, because once you arrive in your appointment, you'll be informed that the process will take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours in order for Apple to do the repair, which was how long I waited. And the wait time could be longer if you don't have an appointment, since Apple will need to take apart the phone in order to replace the camera. And I did ask if they used new adhesive to maintain the iPhone X waterproof resistant seal, and they do. So if you're an iPhone X user also experiencing this, I'll advise you, if you have one, bring an extra iPhone or phone that you can swap the SIM card, because you'll be phoneless for a little bit. So after waiting, they replaced the camera free of charge, covered under standard manufacturer warranty, as shown in the email. And we'll notice the replacement cost for the camera was $79, not including the labor time. But since we're covered on the warranty, we had to pay $0 out of pocket. So once receiving the phone, I tested out the camera and everything works just like it should. So if you don't live by an Apple store, you are going to be probably required to ship out your phone and being phoneless for a few days. But if you're experiencing this issue, this defect, that's the only way you can resolve this. But there you guys have it. Just wanted to share with you guys my experience for those having the same issue who are unsure what to do or what to expect in order to get this resolved. And don't worry, I got more content coming out. This was just a product update for my iPhone X, since it hasn't even been a year yet and I'm already experiencing some issues. If I experience more problems along the line, I'll make sure to update it in future videos. But as always, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, found this video informative in any way, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not. But until next time, hope to see you on the next video. Peace.